I wonder if he like can see the notes in his head or how he does this. It's just mind blowing that he's just able to replicate different sounds and different instruments with just the guitar. Uh, this is something that you know you kind of see here and there, but no one's on the same scale as him. I mean,
He's unreal, isn't he?
There's number I forgot.
Ali Bata, you deserve a coffee after this one.
He does, man.
And a cigarette.
And a cigarette. Please, man.
Salam alaikum, all of our Indonesian brothers and sisters. How are you doing? At the bar, as you might say in your country. And today we're going to be reacting to
To a liba. We're gonna be reacting to a libata.
Right, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Ooh, this is dark.
What? What's he using there? What was that? This is... Yeah, this reminds me of something. But what is that, guys? Just put it down. I think so, I know this. Oh my god, oh my god.
this guy is a true master. Just watching him play this, and I'm hearing the song in my head as he's playing it, and he's right on the button with it, and he's covering once again all the instruments with just one guitar. It's something that the more I see it, the more amazed I become with it. Which usually, the more you see something, you become desensitized to it. But for some reason, I get in awe, and I just there and I'm staring. I realize I should be saying something, but then I get back to just staring. So sorry about that. Yeah, let's get back into this.
A pleasure to watch, isn't he? Here he goes again with them fucking fingers.
Oh, there's no more coffee. There's no more I forgot.
Ali Bata, you deserve a coffee after this one.
He does, man.
And a cigarette.
And a cigarette. Please, man.
His harmonics are just epic.
So clean. The muted notes are so clean.
he like can see the notes in his head or how he does this. This is it's just mind blowing that he's just able to replicate different sounds and different instruments with just the guitar. Uh, this is something that you know you kind of see here and there, but no one's on the same scale as him. I mean, he's top notch, 100%.
He's so good. That's that stretch he gets on that little finger. How the fuck is he doing that?
Great how he does that. It's great how he does that for the violin sound.
He's unreal, isn't he? What is that?
Monica, guys. Muy bellissimo. Incredible, guys. No. Thank you, Alibata. Thank you. Fantastico.
Ku datang padamu, bukalah pintu, tak mungkin sembunyi dari. Ding dong, ku datang padamu, bukalah pintu, kau tak bisa.
Super complicated. So what's interesting here, if you look at his eyes, the left hand is just like a spider.
I always love when it sounds like there's two people playing, just by how complex he is with the plucking and the harmonics and then hitting the notes as well. Always amazes me.